Hey guys, listen, I hope you enjoy this one. It's loaded cowboy potatoes. It's a whole food plant-based dish. It is real easy. The longest hard part about it is going to be baking the potatoes, but there's obviously some simple ways to do that. Some people don't mind making them in the microwave. You don't have to bake them in the oven like I did, and you can get this done a whole hell of a lot faster. Or you can buy those ones that are already shrink wrapped and you put them in the microwave for 8 minutes. Those are actually pretty good. The great part about the recipe that I followed here, which is bing 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 bing. Is that upside down? It's not. Yay. Hopefully you liked it. If you do, please like the video. Please subscribe. I'm going to be bringing more of these to you every week, and at least every week. I hope that I'm going to be bringing some other different tips and tricks and just variations of things that I've actually done to get here to you, and hopefully I can make that relatively simple. If there's anything you want to see, please just let me know. If there's anything you don't like about what I've done, I would love to hear that too. If you think I'm stupid and you don't want to see any more from me, let me know. I'm just trying to figure out how to do this right because I think it's good content, or I think it's a good, good recipes at least. And I hope that you do too. So subscribe, and we'll hopefully see you soon.
There's nothing like a loaded cowboy potato to show you how healthy you can be. These potatoes got enough flavor to teach you how the West was won. And these loaded cowboy potatoes are enough to fill up even the meanest cowboy out there.
Did someone just say frozen? Into the unknown, into the unknown, into the unknown. Okay, I don't know what just happened there. Totally sorry about that. Shake it, bon, bon, mix it, bon, bon. Oops. Looks like I forgot to add the Chipotle. But you know what that means. We get to do a little more shaky bon bon, mixy bon bon. So I'm going to check and see if the potatoes are done. I typically do this with putting a knife or a fork or something in the baked potato, and if it goes through easily, that's when I know it's done. It depends on how hard you want your potatoes. Now here's where you want to be very careful not to cut your fingers. Okay, now you want to squeeze it, and what? Oh, jeez. Yeah, so I think I squeezed a little bit too hard. I sliced the inside just a little bit, both horizontal and vertical. If I'm going to pour something in there or top it with something like Cowboy salsa, it helps to soak into the potato a little bit more. All right, everybody, we're going to pretend like that didn't happen. Baked potato slicing, take 2. Like I said, these were 100% whole food, plant-based until I added the shredded cheese. However, they're still vegan and still delicious. And like I said, you can do whatever you want to these, but where the heck we gonna put these Cowboy loaded potatoes? You'll be fine right here.